Hey, ain't we been through it all? Then we sleep on them floors. Everybody we thought we needed, we don't need them no more. Run it up, don't check the score. No, I'm balling on.
Chat, I got one training roll on this account. One training roll in a dream. One training roll in a dream, chat. Vanish, I'm sorry. The funny thing is, I don't even need them. I'm gonna use them, but I don't. If I gave my center Alabama cam, nope, I'm not using them. I mean, he may be better, but I already have a 93 center, so I'm not even using them. EA employee confirmed. Yeah, I'm not even using them. I probably should though. Nah, he's a better run blocker. Giants, appreciate the follow. Chat, we have another dream. One more training roll in the dream, chat. We have another training roll in the dream. If we did a pack battle, Unk just beat me in one roll. That's actually crazy to think about. Training roll in the dream, chat. Dream crushed. Dream absolutely, positively crushed. Let's see. Moss there would have been. I don't know what up. It's the worst dude ever. Why can't I pull Peyton, dog? It's always this guy, man. Every single time. It's always this dude. Always. Do I try? I mean, I have bro B and D. Do I try, bro? Because bro's B and D? I feel like I should. Vanish. He gets quick jump for silver, though. Rush trenches packs. I'm trying these. I know the playoff one is better. Nah. Shouldn't have opened them. Shouldn't have opened them. Shouldn't have opened them. .84 speed is yuck. Nah. Oh my god. Nah. Shouldn't have opened them. Ass. Now look. We did open this pack. We got an LTD. Can we do it again? We do not do it again. Oh my god! Oh my god! Bang! Bang! Reginald Bush! Gang! I called my shot! Oh my Jesus! Young Moolah, baby! I understand it now. I understand it now. Out of the... Oh my God. Oh my... Chat, we're not done. We're not done. We're not done. Hold on. I'm not done. We still have training. Hold on. We not done, chat. We ain't done. We ain't done. Sorry, Mr. Neville. Hey. Why not Moss, chat? Why not Moss? Why not Moss? Right? We got Reginald. Why not Moss? Who says no? Nah, don't like that. At least make it a 93, though. Okay, 92 Andy. We already got 92 Andy over here. We still got 2 packs, chat. We still got 2 packs. Hold on, chat. Let's cook up. Nick Nash. Should have won the Blitnikoff, but got robbed. Last pack Magic. We just got 3 big animations in a row. Wow. Antoine Cason. A little bit of live. I probably should have kept him over here, but I'm in the mode right now, chat. We're in a window. We're in a window, chat. We're in a window. Walk me off. Bang! Bang! Patrick Payton! Gang! The EA employee allegations will never cease. Oh my goodness! You know what's funny? I wasn't even going to make this into a video. But if you're seeing this, not only do I understand it now, but you understand it now. Put the crown on. The greatest pack opening you'll ever see. Don't question it. Thank you for coming.